Right, I'm here on the ADEC stand with Andreas. Andreas, thank you for joining me.
Very welcome.
You've got something in your hands right here. Tell me what it is you're holding.
Yes, this is a new TDC3XT model detector for non-intrusive traffic detection, primarily in tunnels. The first version will be released for tunnels. And you can see there is no holes, no nothing. This is really an IP66, IP67 housing. So it makes it ideal for tunnel installation where from time to time you have washed the tunnel and you could expose the sensitive elements if there were any holes.
Excellent. And what's the detection technology within that housing?
Here we basically house 4 radar modules. There is a basically a Doppler radar for speed measurements that is kind of forward-looking. And we have 60 gigahertz radars to acquire the height profile of every vehicle that passes with a sample rate of like 300 measurements per second. So we have a very, very accurate height profile of the vehicle that allows us to do classification of the vehicles.
So classification as well as detection?
That's right. So in the end you have count, you have vehicle class, you have a very accurate speed, as well as a position of the vehicle in the lane so that you can take account for lane-changing vehicles and you do not experience an overcount from such.
Excellent. And so why would a tunnel, this is particularly for tunnels, right? A tunnel manager want to install this? Why should they install this in their tunnel?
One of the issues is in the tunnel through the soot and the exhausts that you have a lot of pollutants in the air that make it necessary for a regular, if you have a camera-based system or another system, that may need a lot of maintenance. And really the advantage of this device is that you can mount it and you align it, and after configuration you never have to deal with it again. You do not need any maintenance. When it gets wet from a tunnel wash, then so be it, there's no problem at all. So it's self-calibrating through the entire lifespan and it's maintenance free. So in a tunnel that can be a very big deal indeed, big advantage.
And vital really to have some kind of sensor, some kind of monitoring in your tunnel for safety and traffic management basically.
That is absolutely correct. It's also an issue for say wrong wire detections. It's any irregular traffic situation in a tunnel can be much more hazardous than outside the tunnel. Just simply because when there's a smoke development or any such thing, that the danger to actually other vehicle operators in the tunnel can be substantial compared to the outside of the tunnel. Yes.